Well, I'll do a cold start on this Murray lawnmower that I found in the trash earlier this year down here at Emerald Isle Beach. Not exactly a cold start. It's 54 degrees here on November 29th. I haven't given this to my neighbor yet. He is supposed to be here this weekend. We just haven't been able to meet up. But let's see if this will start. It's been 2 months at least since I've started this. And I'd like to go ahead and give it to him, and so we can go ahead and be using it as well. So let's try to give this a start here. Now we're going to do a prime on this. And it is priming good. This mower is actually in really good shape, and he really wanted it when I sent him a picture of it. So let's see what it will do. It's probably a little cold. Well, it still starts, so that's a good thing. I hate to give something to somebody and it wouldn't start, or he came to get it and it wouldn't start. But I think it's in good shape here. I just cut the grass here as well with my Troy built. Probably the last time for a while. The centipede, I haven't had a freeze here yet. So it's still green. Once the first freeze does hit, the centipede will just turn brown, go dormant. Just mulched in all these leaves that have fell from these trees here into the backyard. I'm going to put some lime down here later on as well. But this Troy belt started up first time. So the grass still looks pretty good for this time of year, being November 29th. But once that first freeze hits, then it'll turn brown and dormant. But the weather's still nice down here. It's in the 50s. And the Goodman is providing heat. First time the heat's been on this year. And the neighbor just pulled up now, so I'll be able to take this over there to him and make some room in my storage room, which is not very much here anyway. And the palm tree's still looking good this time of year as well.